Good morning, student. In the today's video, we have solved some examples from our exercise 13.1 in the last video. Okay. Now, from a chapter perimeter and area that you know. Now we are going to solve next remaining examples in the today's video. Okay. So let's start the today's video. Fifth example. I hope that you know very well. In the last video, we have completed our first 4 examples. Now we are going to solve fifth example, means the next example. So let's start it. The example is that find the perimeter of a rectangle with the dimensions 180 centimeter and 1.5 meter. Express the answer in a meters. Okay. So this example is interesting. Already I have told that in order to solve the examples of measurements, okay, in order to solve the examples of measurements, the units of all quantities are in a same system. Okay, they are must be in a same system. So as you're looking here, the dimensions of rectangle, one is the length and the other one is a breadth, obviously. So that two dimensions are different units. They are having a different units. One is having centimeter and other one is having meter. So they have asked also express the answer in a meter. So we can do one thing. We can change the unit centimeter into the meter. So let's start the solution of this example. So given thing we have to write in the answer. First of all, what things are given? As you know, the rectangle as having length and breadth, so L is equals to 180 centimeter. We are considering it. Okay, so you are saying, sir, where is it shown that 180 is only the length and the 1.5 meter is only the breadth? No, whatever the longer distance, that we are considering as a length. Okay, and whatever the smaller, that we are considering breadth. So length is a longer, breadth is a smaller. Okay, 180 centimeter, after changing to the meter, what we will get? We will get 1.8 meter. How can we convert this? In order to convert this 180 centimeter to meter, we have to divide 180 by 100. Okay, because what is the reason behind it? Because that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, that's why we have divided 180 by 100 will get 1.8 meter. Okay, now next one, breadth is equals to 1.5 meter. Now we are going to solve this example. Now as you are looking, the both length and breadth are in the same unit, meter. So therefore the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 in bracket, what is the length? 1.8 meter plus 1.5 meter is the breadth, which is equals to 1.8 plus 1.5, which gives us a sum 3.3. If you arrange this sum vertically and add, you will get the sum 3.3. So 2 in bracket 3.3. So multiplication, 2 multiply 3.3 will get 6.6 meter as a perimeter of the given rectangle. Okay, thus the perimeter of given rectangle is 6.6 meter. Okay, I hope that you have understand this example very well and you can do such more examples. Only take care that if the units of given quantities are different, so we have to convert them into the same unit system. Okay, unique system, then only our answer will be correct, otherwise it goes wrong. Okay, so next example, before we are going to solve now next example, let's start the next example. Example number 6. In the example number 6, we have to, in example 6, we have to solve the perimeter of a rectangular hall is 180 meter. What they have given? They have given the perimeter of rectangular hall is 180 meter, its length is 50 meter. Its length is 50 meter. Then find its breadth. In a rectangular hall, they have given its length and its perimeter. Perimeter means all around length, means sum of all its side they have given, and we have to find the remaining that breadth of a rectangle. So let's start the answer. Given thing, the perimeter of rectangular hall, which is denoted by P, we are denoting by it P, which is equals to 180 meter, and length of that corresponding hall is nothing but a 50 meter. So we have to find that breadth of that rectangular hall, which is nothing but question mark. We have to find it. Now we know that P is equals to 2 in bracket L plus B. P is equals to 2 in bracket L plus B. So 180 is equals to, P's value is 180 meter, which is equals to 2 in bracket L's value, length is equals to 50. So substituting the values in the formula, we'll get the expression 180 is equals to 2 in bracket 50 plus B. After taking 2 on the left side, it goes in the division. 180 divided by 2, which is equals to, on the right side remain 50 plus B. What remain on right side? 50 plus B. So which is equals to, 180 is equal to part 90. Okay. So 90 is equals to 50 plus B. Therefore B is equal to 40 meter. B is equal to 40 meter. Thus the breadth of given hall is 40 meter. This way we can calculate the remaining things if we know any two things about the rectangle. Okay. Either you know perimeter and length, you can find breadth. Either if you know breadth and perimeter, you can find its length. And if you know length and breadth, you can find its perimeter. Okay. And in the things of area also. Okay. In things of area also, you can calculate the remaining one if you know any two among these three things. Okay. So let's go towards the next example. Example number 7. Now example number 7 is, find the perimeter of a photo frame of a dimension 85 centimeter into 40 centimeter. Okay. So there is a one photo frame which is in a rectangular dimension, rectangular shape, because the dimensions are different, length and breadth are different. So obviously it is in a rectangle shape. So what we are writing answer for this, since given two dimensions are different, obviously given two dimensions are different, 85 and 40 are the different numbers. So the given frame is a rectangular in a shape. Obviously you know it is in a rectangle shape of length 85 centimeter and breadth 40 centimeter. Rectangle shape of length 85 centimeter and breadth 40 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Okay. So substituting the value in that, we will get 2 in bracket 85 plus 40. Okay. What is the value of L? L is equals to 85 centimeter and breadth is equals to 40 centimeter. So 85 plus 40 will get sum as 125. So 2 in bracket 125 means 2 multiplied 125 will get 250 centimeter. Okay. So what is the final perimeter of the given rectangular photo frame? It is nothing but 250 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of a given rectangular photo frame is 250 centimeter. Okay. So I hope that you have understand this example number 7. Now we are going to solve next example, that is number 8. Example number 8. A rectangle and a square are of equal areas. Okay. So this type of example we have solved in the first video, where it is solved in our textbook. Okay. Area and the rectangle and square are having equal areas if the perimeter and length of rectangle are, that given perimeter and length of a rectangle are 85 centimeter and 25 centimeter respectively. What is the meaning respectively? Respectively means if the two things are given and their corresponding values also given, so first value corresponds to the first quantity and whatever the thing they have given, and the second value corresponds to second quantity. Okay, so the 85 is nothing but a perimeter and 25 is nothing but a length. Okay, so that is the meaning of respectiveness that we have to understand from the given example. Okay, so respective means 85 is perimeter and 25 is a length. Then find the perimeter and area of a square. Okay, so what they have given, they have given the measurement of a rectangle and ask the measurement of a square. Okay, only one relation they have given, the area of that rectangle and square is equal. Okay, the area of that rectangle and square is equal. So let's start the solution. Given perimeter of a rectangle, it is nothing but a 58 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 58 centimeter. The length of a rectangle L is equals to 25 centimeter. What is the length of rectangle? Rectangle's length is 25 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle is equals to, you know very well the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. It is nothing but 2 in bracket L plus B. Okay, so 2 in bracket length is 25 and breadth is unknown because we don't know the breadth of that rectangle, but we know it's a perimeter, so substitute that also. So perimeter is equals to 58. So after substituting this 58 in the formula, we'll get the relation 58 is equal to 2 in bracket 25 plus B. Okay, so this is equation, simple equation that we have to solve for a B. We have to find the value of B in this equation. So after transferring 2 on the left side, you know it goes in the division. So 58 divided by 2, which is equals to 25 plus B. 58 divided by 2, which is equals to 25 plus B. 58 is equal to part 29. 29 2s are 58. So 29 is a one part of a 58. If we are making it equal 2 parts, which is equals to 25 plus B. B, therefore, B is equals to 29 minus 25, which gives us difference as 4 centimeter. Okay, so difference is a 4 centimeter. Now, the area of a rectangle is equals to L into B. You know very well. What is the area of rectangle? The area of rectangle is given by the formula length multiplied by breadth. So value of L is equals to 25 and value of B is equals to 4. So substituting that values in the given formula, will get 25 4s are 100 centimeter square. So what is the area of rectangle? It is a 25 centimeter square. So since both the rectangle and square having equal areas and which is 100 centimeter square. Now they have given the area of a square is same with the area of rectangle. That's why the area of a square is also 100 centimeter square. But here one thing remain to calculate from my side. What thing remain? Can you tell me? The thing remain that to calculate the perimeter of a square. They have asked then find the perimeter and area of a square. So I hope that you can calculate the perimeter of a square with the help that you have the square of area 100 centimeter square. So what thing you have to do here? You have to consider a square of 100 centimeter square area, having 100 centimeter square area. So you will get the side of that square is nothing but a 10 centimeter, because 10 square is 100. 10 tens are 100. So the side of square is a 10 centimeter, and now obviously you can find the perimeter of corresponding square having 100 centimeter square area. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 4, that is 4 into side, it is nothing but perimeter of square. So 4 tens are 40 centimeter is the perimeter of the given square or the required square. Okay, so I hope that you can complete this. Now we are going to solve the last example in the today's video, that example number 9. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 18 centimeter. Its length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 18 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent, the same example we have solved in our first video. Okay, if the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measurement of each side? What will be the measurement of each side? Also find which shape enclosed more areas. Okay, also we have to find that which shape having more areas. Okay, which shape covers more area. So let's start the solution. Given length of rectangle L is equals to 36 centimeter. Breadth of that rectangle is nothing but 18 centimeter. That the given things we have written. Now perimeter of rectangle is equals to, you know, formula, 2 in bracket L plus B. Substituting the value in the formula, 2 in bracket 36 plus 18, which is equals to 54, will get the answer P is equals to 108 centimeter. Now area of rectangle. First of all, we will complete one shape, then we are going to find next shape. First of all, area of rectangle is equals to L into B. So 36 into 18, you will get 648 square centimeter. Okay, now by rebenting wire in a square shape, so you know very well the rectangle is having a perimeter 108 centimeter. The same length, same wire we are using, we make one square. Now by rebenting the wire in a square shape, not changing its perimeter, because rebent means with the help of the same wire, not changing the length. The perimeter is the same, that is 108 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equals to 108 centimeter, which is equals to, that is perimeter for A is equals to 108 centimeter. So A is equals to 108 divided by 4. After transferring 4 on right side, it goes in the division, which is equals to 27 centimeter. Now area of a square is equals to A square. So A square is equals to 27 square. So the length of one side of a square is a 27 centimeter. So it is equals to 729 square centimeter. Now we have both the areas in our hand. First one, rectangle also and square also. So the area of rectangle is 648 square centimeter and area of square is 729 square centimeter. You can compare these two areas. First, 648 is a very smaller than the 729, or you can say, since 729 is greater than 648, therefore the square is enclosing more area. Therefore square enclosing more areas. That's the final answer of this 9 number question. I hope that you have understand these all examples that we have solved in the today's video and you have no difficulty and doubt. Okay, then also if you are facing some difficulty and doubt, then freely you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, you can ask your difficulty and doubt on my WhatsApp. So we are going to stop here for this today's particular video. Take care. Bye. Thank you very much.